There's this night I'll never forget. It was one of those nights where sleep just wouldn't come. We were lying there in the dark, staring at the ceiling. The silence was deafening, but the weight in the room was even heavier. I turned to him, my voice barely a whisper, and I asked the question that had been haunting me for months, maybe years. Will we ever be parents? For a second he didn't say anything, and I thought maybe I shouldn't have asked.
I reached for her hand, held it tightly, and said something she will never forget. We already are in our hearts.
And it hit me so deeply, because he was right. Being a parent isn't just about biology or holding a baby in your arms. It's about the love you carry, the dreams you nurture, and the hope you refuse to let go of. That night, in the silence, I realized something powerful. Even if the journey was long, even if it didn't go the way we planned, our hearts were already full of love for the child we were waiting for. So, to anyone out there on this journey, know this. Love makes you a parent long before anything else does, and that love is what keeps you going. Share your story in the comments. Check out +do Conceive 360.site.